Since the start of the COVID pandemic, sadly between 200 and 300 Milton Keynes residents have died. All of us have had to make changes to our way of life, and the effects of the pandemic will continue to affect our day-to-day and working lives in months to come. We need to look ahead and see what we can do to protect ourselves and protect and care for others in the second wave.
So to protect ourselves from coronavirus, it's really important that we reduce the chances coronavirus has to spread from one person to another person. So if coronavirus can't live in people, it can't live. It relies on us to reproduce and to carry on spreading through the community. So in order to stop it from spreading from one person to another, there are lots of things we can do. One thing, and the really important thing, is around hand hygiene, washing our hands properly and frequently. And more recently, obviously with COVID, we've started social distancing, i.e. trying to keep at least a metre apart, 2 metres in some circumstances, but at least a metre apart. And finally, face coverings or face masks. When I'm within 2 metres of people, I'm wearing one of those, as should other people be doing, in an enclosed environment.
I just try and remember that, there's no vaccine. We're not in normal times, so you have to do it. Yeah, you just have to do it. It's not about young people's rights, it's about health. I think a lot of people, they make it a big civil rights issue and make it political. It doesn't need to be that way. It's just health, looking after yourself, looking after other people. They're not just numbers, they're people's lives, loved ones.
So we've noticed during COVID that some people seem to fare worse with the virus. I think it's really important to either focus on exercise, healthy eating, or both. And now's quite a good time to sort of redefine the way we live and the way we approach life with all the change that's going on.
People in Milton Keynes have been really good in following the national guidance. However, it's really important that we still continue to follow those messages, because initially we had low numbers of positive cases in Milton Keynes. However, in line with what we're seeing across the country, our numbers are increasing. Anyone can get it, anyone can spread it, so it's how we work together to make sure that Milton Keynes is a safe and healthy place.
So what we need people who live in MK, like myself, to get involved in the COVID Community Champion Scheme, to learn more about COVID, so that when people are out and about with their family, with their friends, they can pass on good messages, good advice about COVID-19, how we can keep MK COVID safe. And the COVID Community Champion Scheme is a great way for us all to play our part. We need you.
We need you.
We need you.
We need you.
If you are interested in getting involved in the COVID Community Champion Scheme, please contact us at covidchampions@milton-keynes.gov.uk. Remember, we need you.